Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Craftsman 26-piece impact rated screwdriving set. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make material review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, well, we got, first of all, we got this on sale. I believe they're running a clearance on these for $6. That's how cheap we got this, for $6. So it's definitely a nice little kit, especially if you're a DIY. Get a lot of bits here. So you got item number CMAF1326. Again, 26-piece impact rated. You got Craftsman trade of Stanley Black & Decker 2018. Looks like this package was already tried to be open, so they were trying to open this package. Just take it here. Make it easier on ourselves. Alright. A lot easier than fighting with it. Alright, so you got the Craftsman case here. It's a really nice case. This is, you guys don't know, these are compatible with DeWalt's. Yeah, these are compatible with the Tough system. These are the, what is this, Tough Case, we call it. Tough Case, yeah, Tough Case Plus. So these are compatible with these. From the bottom there, I don't have that Tough Case thing. So all they have is Craftsman. So what you do is you can has these latches on the bottom. You put it in like so, and then you get your bottom latch here, and pretty much it latches in, so it's one solid unit. That's one thing that brings me buying these cases, because even if you're out of these bits, you already use them, everything. You can put some more bits in here. You can put some more, like screws, nails, whatnot. Oops. So see, they even latch anyway, so you can latch it in or you can latch it on, so it doesn't matter. And then again, you guys get to use this on your Tough System box, your Tough System 2.0. So let's take this off. It's kind of hard. Slide it forward, remove it. Alright, so we got a nice clear case here. This is, like I said, this is one of the reasons why I bought this little case, especially for $6. The case itself, it's worth $6. So anyways, starting here, we got, looks like a 4-inch adapter here. I forgot to went over the details of the back here. So we got 26-piece impact rated magnetic tip holder. You got pH1, 1 2-inch, and you got pH2, 1-inch, 2 bits, 2-inch, 3 bits, and 3.5 1 bits. That's the 3.5, which is the 3.5 4 inches. That's it right there. You got the pH3, the 2 inches. You got the squares. So square 1, 2 inches, square 2, 2 pieces, 1 inch, 2 pieces, 2 inches, 3.5, so which is this one. Actually, this one's the square. So 3.5, 1. The square 3, you got 2 inches, and then you got 1 inch SL, which is the flat ones. Where's the flat ones at? There's a few of them there. So you got a few 1 inchers. Like I said, nobody uses those, but you know, they'll include just a couple there. So this is a pretty complete kit. T20, 2 inches, T25, 1 inch, and 2 inches. And you got T30, 2 inches. And then you got some nut drivers, which is 1/4, 5/16, 3/8. Alright, enough of that. So these are the nut drivers that we have. They look pretty decent. Like I said, not your highest quality. They do have a lot of oil in them, so just keep that in mind when you buy them. They do come with oil. These are nice to have. The longer ones, the 3.5. for your impact. Let's stick it in there. Alright. So we'll take this one out. We'll test fit it on my impact driver here. So we got a Milwaukee impact driver. Okay, so it fits pretty good. Fits pretty good. Let me see one of these. So I know my DeWalt's are. Sorry guys, I just painted. I was just painting a room and got some paint on myself. Let's see here. So yeah, these are just like DeWalt's. They're kind of hard to get in, out. These are like my old DeWalt's. So as you guys see, they're the same as the DeWalt's. Pretty hard to get in there, but eventually you're gonna wear them down and they'll become just like the regular. But yeah, pretty nice. They feel pretty good. Like I said, you got a magnetic sleeve here. Let me just go over here real quick. Got a magnetic sleeve here. You got a 2-inch Phillips. Got a 3.5 square, 3.5 Phillips. You got some flats here on the top. You got some stars, some more squares here, Phillips, and then you got some more squares here, stars, Phillips, 2 inchers there, which are the most. These are the ones that I need. I use the most, the 2 inchers, and then you got some more stars here. They say Craftsman on the side, and then you got some nut drivers there, 3 nut drivers in a nice case. Anyways, just a quick video for you guys, letting you guys know this is out there for $6. This is on clearance at your local Lowe's. Be sure to check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this, make Pro Tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.